Today we will learn activating the 12-month free promotion of Gemini Advanced on the Pixel 9 Pro. Let's simply open the Gemini application. The proposal to easily activate the promotion should appear right here in the center of the screen. If you skip, it no longer appears, but you can go to the profile picture in the top right and press Try Gemini Advanced. As you can clearly observe, the process of verification on my account begins immediately in order to determine if I am eligible to activate this special promotion. This involves a quick yet thorough check to determine eligibility. I remind you that if you have already activated the same 2 TB paid plan previously, please note that you will not be able to activate this promotion, so be careful and think carefully before making a purchase. Because an absolutely essential part of the Pixel 9 package is specifically the use of this promotion for 1 year for free. Press Start the trial. Here are simply the terms of service that must be read and accepted. Let's proceed. It informs us that the first paid renewal will be on October 3rd, 2025. You just simply need to disable the renewal and the promotion immediately right after you have activated it to avoid having to pay in 12 months if you forget to cancel the subscription. The subscription. My credit card. Subscribe. Let's proceed with the fingerprint verification. I will almost certainly, most likely, definitely have to authorize something from the bank, because account verification and card information are still required for any future credits, such as additional credits, benefits, or rewards. But I repeat, as I have mentioned before, nothing is charged. I confirm the transaction on another device. Because if you have the banking application on the same device where you are currently performing the procedure, when you go to the banking app page, unfortunately, the activation process for Gemini Advanced closes. So simply use another phone for bank authorization. I authorized it. I press complete. We should be done. Subscription purchased. Do you perhaps want to add this alternative payment method? PayPal method. No, we are not interested. Okay, now you have completely obtained the Gemini Advanced plan. What exactly is comprehensively included in all of this Gemini Advanced plan? Gemini Advanced with our latest AI innovations featuring 1.5 Pro, which is the latest model of Gemini and cutting-edge technology. Priority access to new features. Try a contextual window with 1 million tokens, which essentially gives us an idea of the processing power of Gemini Advanced, basically. Additionally, of course, there is the subscription to Google One with all its services. Approximately 2 TB of storage and all the benefits dedicated to Google One. In short, it is certainly definitely an important plus for the purchase of the Pixel 9. 1 year of absolutely incredible free Gemini Advanced promotion, I repeat, with also 2 TB of storage space. Make sure to check if you can take advantage of it and don't wait any longer. Go buy a Pixel 9 Pro right away. You won't regret it. Hello from Antonio Camerino, your Google product expert. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos. Share and give me some likes. Thank you. Goodbye, everyone. See you soon with more videos about Google and the Pixel 9 Pro.